Prive is different because we are on a private island, but in the middle of a city, so we have the access to all the things that South Florida offers, but the feeling of privacy and open air sea and sky all around us. All the apartments have water views from every single residence and every single room in each residence, which I don't think any other building in South Florida can make that claim. Living in Prive is like being at the Four Seasons Hotel. From the porte cochere, which is just magnificent, to walking into our magnificent lobby, which is 30 foot high with beautiful sculptures in it, to the concierge service that you get here. Anything you want is at your fingertips. What makes Prive so special is here we are in the middle of Aventura, surrounded by all the things that Aventura offers. And as you look out the windows in all directions, surrounded by open air, sea and sky, and nothing but us and the water.